Hello, in this video I will show you how to install a ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and now click install. Now you can click open and here you can skip introduction and now click open permissions and you have to find AI assistant on this list and then click here to allow this application to appear on top and then you can click back. Now click start and as you can see here is your ChatGPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.